So hello student friends, welcome to this lecture series on digital techniques. In the last lecture we had discussed about this triggering methods, different triggering types or methods that are used to make on or trigger the flip-flop. So we have seen that for SR flip-flop, and as I said, that can be applied to any other flip-flop. If at all the triggering is required, then out of that 4 methods you can use them to trigger any of the flip-flop. Okay, so let us take further our discussion for next type of flip-flop, that is JK flip-flops. नाउ इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, अगर आपको याद है तो SR फ्लिप फ्लॉप में एक कंडीशन है जो उसको लिमिट करता है. सो वन लिमिटेशन ऑफ SR फ्लिप फ्लॉप इज व्हेन S इक्वल टू R इक्वल टू 1. ओके, सो इन दिस कंडीशन मीन्स इट इज इनवैलिड. वी हैव सीन दिस फॉर SR फ्लिप फ्लॉप. सो दैट कंडीशन इज इनवैलिड कंडीशन, and that is a limitation or a drawback of SR flip-flop. Now the question is how we can eliminate this drawback. इसको हम कैसे eliminate कर सकते हैं, कैसे इसको हटा सकते हैं, right? So way in the back, some 1960s, so 1958, 1960s, two of the scientists named Jack and Kilby. So this JK flip-flop is named after their name, Jack K. Kilby, JK flip-flop. The Texas Instrument engineers, they were both of them were the engineers at this Texas Instrument company. Okay, they invented integrated circuits. Now their work, they invented integrated circuits which we call chips, which we have seen ICs in 1958, right? And these both of them, looking at this drawback or limitation of SR flip-flop, have designed this JK flip-flop such that this condition is now eliminated. SR flip-flop में जो ये condition था, जो invalid था, तो कुछ changes करके जो सर्किट को JK नाम दिया है, तो उसमें ये कंडीशन इनवैलिड कंडीशन उन्होंने निकाल दिया, राइट? नाउ JK फ्लिप फ्लॉप डज नॉट हैव दैट इनवैलिड कंडीशन. ओके, सो द डिफिकल्टी ऑफ बोथ इनपुट्स S इक्वल टू R इक्वल टू 1 इज नॉट अलाउड इन द SR फ्लिप फ्लॉप, राइट? सो दिस इज एलिमिनेटेड बाय JK फ्लिप फ्लॉप. सो इफ समवन आस्क्स यू what is the limitation of SR flip-flop, then you can just answer that when S equal to R equal to 1, then the condition is invalid condition. Now why it is invalid? Because when both these inputs are 1, we get Q bar equal to same value, either 1 or 0, which is invalid. So all the time this Q and Q bar should be complement to each other, right? ओके, तो ये कैसे किया है? इट इज़ डन बाय यूजिंग द फीडबैक कनेक्शन. नाउ फीडबैक मीन्स some part of output is given back to the input, so that is feedback. From outputs to the inputs of gate 1 and gate 2 in the SR flip flop. जो लास्ट सर्किट हमने देखा था उसमें जो गेट 1 गेट 2 के आउटपुट है उसको इनपुट दिया है, आउटपुट एज अ इनपुट दिया है, राइट? सो ये JK फ्लिप फ्लॉप का सर्किट डायग्राम है, right? It again uses 4 NAND gates. Okay, so now this can be constructed with help of NOR gate and NAND gate also, right? So if you see this circuit, then here I'll just roughly draw this circuit for you. So this is 1, this is 2 NAND gate, this is J, and this is K. So these are external outputs J and K, and this is positive level triggered JK flip-flop, right? Looking at this circuit, we can say that it is positive level triggered JK flip-flop, right? So the output of first gate is given as an input to the next gate, gate number 3. This is again one gate, इसका आउटपुट इसे इनपुट दिया है. Okay, so this is again clear and this is again preset. Okay, तो यहाँ तक तो हमारा सेम सर्किट है. So you can see this is Q and this is Q bar. So यहाँ तक तो हमारा सेम सर्किट है. अब इसमें क्या किया है, the JK flip flop is constructed from SR flip flop by using the feedback connection. Feedback means अब यहाँ पे देखो, the output this Q is given as input यहाँ पे, you can say this. ये आउटपुट जो है इसको एज ए इनपुट दिया है, राइट? सो दिस बिकम्स हियर इट इज Q, राइट? एंड दिस Q बार इज गिवन एज ए इनपुट टू गेट नंबर 1. Okay, so this is Q bar. Okay, so can I write gate 1? So I can consider this as R dash and this as S dash. Okay, so what are the inputs? Inputs to gate 1 is, or we can say R dash equal to J E and Q bar whole bar. Now this whole bar because it is a NAND gate. And what is the input? What is input to gate 2? Or simply we can say S dash equal to, again we have K, E and Q whole bar, right? Whole bar again means it is this NAND gate, right? So this is a circuit for JK flip flop. Okay, again I guess one more easy circuit you have here is a JK flip flop. Only the difference is this outputs are taken back as an input to these two gates. Okay, here you can see this symbol for JK flip flop. So this is JK, this is J, this is K, and this is clock signal E, right? Now here it can be any type of triggering, positive level, negative level, positive edge or negative edge. And this is again preset, and this is clear, this is Q, the normal output, and this is Q bar, the inverted output, right? So this is a symbol for JK flip flop. Okay, now here we need to see the working of this JK flip flop with these changes, with the feedback changes. Now one thing you have to remember is, what you have to remember is the working of JK flip flop. Now JK flip flop and SR flip flop are similar for three conditions. There is only change for this condition, where S equal to R equal to 1 means J equal to K equal to 1. Otherwise for 0 0 0 1 1 0 the working of SR flip flop and JK flip flop is same. We'll see this working. We'll see this 4 different cases of this JK flip flop when we see it's working. Just a short while we'll see that, right? But remember that for these three conditions your JK is equal to SR for these three conditions. The change is only for the condition 1 1. right? So that we need to put here in this truth table format. Okay, so we'll see the working of this JK flip-flop, and then we can put this. Now here we are looking for this positive level triggered JK flip-flop, right? So when our clock is 0, no matter what your J and K is, your output will remain same, that is no change. There will be no change, okay, because you have given this clock as 0. Now when my clock is 1 means positive level, in that case we will look for 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and as it is said that for these three conditions your SR is equal to JK, right? Means here also it should be no change, okay. Then this is for reset and this is for set condition. So let us look at the working or the operation of this JK flip-flop, right? So as we have seen, this Qn means the previous output. This Qn plus 1 means next output, previous output or previous state, we can say that. This is also called as next state, right? And we have preset and clear. Now so as to make our flip-flop work normal, the normal operation of this flip-flop, we have to make preset and clear equal to 1, okay. So when we make this preset equal to 1 and clear equal to 1, our flip-flop behaves as normal, okay. Now as I said, we need to fill this truth table. So we will be going to see each of these cases, okay. So here we have case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4. So let us first see the case 1 where J equal to 0, K equal to 0 and our clock E equal to 1. This E is equal to, all the time it is 1 as seen in the truth table. Now we have seen one point here that for first three condition, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0, your JK equal to SR, right? So for 0 0 in SR there is no change. So here let us try to prove again that when J equal to 0, K equal to 0, still there will be no change, okay. So for that we first need to draw the circuit of SR flip-flop. So let us draw, just have a look at how I am going to draw this, right? So here you can see we have this gate 1, the J input, this is gate 2, the K input, the clock pulse. The output of this gate is given as input to other gate, again this gate, okay. So this is Q and this is Q bar. Then here this is a cross coupled format, this is preset and this is clear. So this is preset and this is clear. So we have this J and we have this K. So this Q, so this is Q and this is Q bar. Now here this output is given as input to this gate and Q bar is given as input to this gate, okay. So this becomes my circuit of JK flip-flop, okay. Now let us try to verify this. Let us try to verify this gate. What is our condition? J equal to 0, this E is equal to 1 and K equal to 0, right? Now you can see this gate 1 2 3 4, Now if you see any of the gate, we have three inputs. So very first we need to refer the NAND gate, 3 input NAND gate truth table. So it is 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1, right? For NAND gate, if any of the input is 0, output is 1. It's simply opposite of AND gate. If all the inputs are high, then the output is low. Okay, so this is for NAND gate. Now here you can see, when any of the input is 0, when any of the input is 0, output is 1. So here one input is 0, so output is 1. Here one input is 0, output is 1. Right? So I have gone through this truth table. Now preset equal to 1, so this is 1. This middle terminal is 1, clear is 1 and middle terminal is 1. Now do we know the third terminal here? Because we have 1 1 here. Now it can be these two conditions, or you can consider these conditions, right? So we don't know what is this input here. So let us assume Q equal to 0 and Q bar equal to 1. Let us assume this. Right, so what I am assuming is Q is 0 and Q bar is 1. Now this 0 here, this Q is given as the input to gate number 4, so this becomes 0, and Q bar is given as the input to gate number 3, so this becomes 1. Now the 3 inputs to the gate number 3 is 1 1 1, and from the truth table, if all the inputs are 1, output is 0, which is what we have assumed, right? And if any of the input is 0, output is 1, right? Again, which is what we have assumed. तो जो हमने assume किया था वही output हमें मिल रहा है. Okay, means there is no change. There is no change, right? We can even assume Q equal to 1 and Q bar equal to 0. Let us try this. Q equal to 1 and Q bar equal to 0. Now let's try this. Now my Q is 1 and Q bar is 0, right? तो यहाँ तक तो हम सेम है. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1 and clear is also 1. Now दिस इज Q इज इक्वल टू 1, ये तो 1 है, तो यहाँ पे 1 आएगा. अब ये 0 नहीं, यहाँ पे 1 है. ट्रूथ टेबल से आप देखोगे, इफ एनी ऑफ द sorry this is 0, Q bar is 0. So if all the inputs are 1, output is 0, right? So Q bar क्या आता है? 0 आता है, जो हमने एज्यूम किया है. अब ये 0 मैं अगर यहाँ पे देता हूँ तो उसका आउटपुट क्या आता है? इफ एनी ऑफ द इनपुट इज 0, आउटपुट इज 1, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट वी गेट. सो द आउटपुट व्हाट वी गेट इज द आउटपुट दैट वी एज्यूम्ड. जो हमने एज्यूम किया था वही आउटपुट हमें मिल रहा है, राइट? सो अगेन देयर इज नो चेंज. सो आई कैन से दैट वॉट एवर मे बी द प्रीवियस स्टेट, JK फ्लिप फ्लॉप का प्रीवियस का स्टेट जो कुछ भी है, अगर हम J इक्वल टू 0, K इक्वल टू 0 देते हैं, प्रीवियस स्टेट विल रिमेन एज नेक्स्ट स्टेट इक्वल टू प्रीवियस स्टेट, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. मीन्स Qn इक्वल टू Qn प्लस 1. Said in other way, there is no change in the output. हमने ऐसे भी एज्यूम करके देख लिया, हमने ऐसे भी एज्यूम करके देख लिया. Okay, so for the first, as we can now put here in this truth table. So if my clock pulse is 1, positive level or high level, and my inputs J and K are 0 0, then output is Qn, means there is no change. Okay, these three conditions we'll see one by one. Okay.